Hello guys, so yesterday we learned about operator in Java and today we learn about string in Java. What is a string? And string provided lots of methods, so we can learn about all methods, how to work this method on a string. So first we start. First I'm created one method. So I'm created class. So I'm click on SRC folder and click on right and click on new and go to Java and click one lecture. Sorry, class name. Class always start first letter capital. So lecture string. So I am created one class and next apply main method. Main method. Okay, so we start. So what is a string? So I am apply command. First we what is a string? What is string? String. String. String is a string. String is a sequence string sequence of character sequence of character sequence of character. String is a sequence of characters, but in Java is an object. Is an object. String is sequence of character, and you can see you can as a string is collection of text. But string in Java is an object. Is an object that represent that represent that represent that represent a sequence of character sequence of characters. The java.ln string classes is used to create a string object. Next, string is a non primitive string is a non primitive string is not permitted data types or what here reference data types. String is a string is a immutable 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 string as immutable string as immutable string immutable means it cannot be changed. One time you define the string, so you cannot be changed. The string is immutable. String is non-permitted data. And what is a string? String is a sequence of character. But in Java, is an object that represents a sequence of character. The string.ln string is accessed the classes used to create an object. The string is come to java.ln have string classes. The string you can say string is class. Next, how to create a string object. Two way to create object string object. First way string literal. First way to string literal and second way to by new key bird. So how to create a string object? String object created two ways. First string literal and second by using new keyword. First we create a string use by using string literal way. I'm creating a string data type string data type string name equal to jitendra. And you can store out name jitendra is printed and you can create an others way object. You can create a string using new keyword. Create an object using using new keyword. So I'm string name1 equal to name first one for a first and period variable first name new string and new depend. Okay, I'm not printed. I'm going first. Okay, he printed already. Next question. But next question के which way to use to string to create to store to value. Which way do we refer? So the first we learn about difference. What is the difference between literal string and new object? New keyword use. Which one way do you refer? The difference between. We should learn difference literal and new keyword use. So firstly and explain what is the difference is literal and literal uh, string and we can use string object. Firstly I am create here I am created two variable. First string name equal to jitendra next variable I am created name to jitendra name third equal to new string So we can use this string to string, so he can store in your JVM memory. This string data store in constant full string constant full the heap memory. This variable is stored in constant pool. Store jitendra. You can store you can create a next variable name. You can store he stores same data type jitendra. So this is the not we store next value. Only he can refer to this or this data type, this data value. He can refer to this data value. Okay. Name one and name two. Name means only one time data is stored in constant pool में, but he can store अगर next data value, तो but he cannot be store same data again. He is referred to this data. And this object is same data. This is a reference. This is a reference to this is refer this value, but not be create some data. But you can use this this string new keyword used. I am created string name for new string the string new keyword used to they is created every time a new object and occupy occupy one memory. This data occupy memory and this data occupy memory, or both memory will be uh, uh, take take a space. This created one data type for heap memory, created restore data. One object created for jitendra and second object created second stored jitendra. A particular object means name for name for and name 3 You can use a new keyword string. You new create for string for new keyword to use store each created every time object new object. But you can use literal way. You can store one time if if your object data is present in a string pool, so but did not present your constant pool, so he is referred to next object, but he is not present, so he store data. But string pool we back there another way. You can create a new you can use new keyword to each created object of every time. You can create a string one to create object and store to JVM. But you can create a next object name for each create a new object and store to heap memory and store the new space. So every string you can create a new keyword. So he occupy memory every time. He is lots of memory based, but you can create a literal way. So he can store one time his data present already in his string object already present and constant pool. So he can not create it. He cannot create a new object because already present your data in constant pool. So this is referred to your uh, next variable. This is the main advantage of literal and literal string and literal string object and new keyword. This is the most important because you save of lots of memory, but you can use new keyword to use based of memory. This is the difference of string letter and new keyword use. So you can always use new you can always refer to little way. So I'm created name first name. I have first name first name first name second okay. I'm only created variable this. I'm creating name. Sorry, last name is to only one time is to this object. Last name. You can store text everything you like. Data equal to how are you and you can say you can store numbers everything text equal and to text column everything is going to stored as like that printed. You can store text string is a sequence of character. You can say text of collection. So the printed okay. Next, in Java string class provide provide provides lots of method. Java string class means string class lots of method like length. What is length concat equals equal split and replace lots of method provided etc. For example, I am created by variable using string data in store. How are you? I want to check what is the length of this string. So I am type here string dot length method and printed after the run. He's written 11 length. So okay, count भी लेंगे how much भी length. String always consider to space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So he is written always he is written to 11. So this is the right. Okay. Okay, next I want to add two string. How are you and what is how are you and where are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? I want to add two strings. First maybe you to directly next value 2 value 1 plus value 2. Okay, this is the okay. Uh, this is the working, but I am changing first where this how are you and country and where are you from. Okay, so which added how are you and where are you from, and you can write another way like that. This is full detail. Detail, not question. Like I'm correct. Variable name question. I am add value 1 plus value 2 and printed out system out dot print ln question print question. This how are you? This is the other way. This is the first way. This is other way. And next is you can use string method. You can use Java provided lots of methods concat to with string. Okay, the first we learn about concat. Okay, learn the we can learn about first we know learn concat. So we learn about concat. I am using string question question 1 equal to I want to add to string, so I am add to one to dot. You can apply after dot. You can available lots of method available. Two two lowercase, two uppercase, two lowercase, two uppercase. You want to lots of method I will have. You can see I am using concat. Click on and pass in a two value and say printed out question 2. Okay, here I will to where are you and you can this is edit the value. Okay, I am commented this and check the vertical working or not working. Okay. Okay, this how are you and where are you from? This is work and this is the work. Okay, next. Okay, you can this way value 1 2 concat value 2 you can print it value 1. This way you cannot be working because this concat is a method. To method be is a return. So you can store this method. You can you can store particular variable. First we need to you can store in variable. So first we I am calling this method to store. I am storing in this created string variable question. I am storing this value. So you can not be you can not be you can will not be apply this method in this way. You can apply the content. You can apply only this way because this is a method. The method is a return. Method is a return. You cannot be apply this way. Okay. And you cannot be modified because You can see string cannot be string is string because this is why this is coming because string cannot be modified or cannot be changed. You can be store in a new variable and store the data, and you can after this change this variable. Okay. Next is for example I am created new I want to convert to lowercase to uppercase. I am going to shout value dot to lower uppercase to uppercase. So his value he you can see he there is value is lowercase, all is lowercase. I want to convert to this value to uppercase. So I am apply dot to uppercase. So he's convert to value dot uppercase. Okay, he is convert to all values is this available to. You can see he is how are you, this is the lowercase. You enter all values in uppercase. We want to string value is equal to how are you. I want to change uppercase to lowercase, then value 3 to lower case. So he is convert to lowercase to uppercase. Okay. So this is the to uppercase convert to uppercase. Convert to lower case. We want to compare two string. Next method is equal. Next method is equal method. We want to compare two string. I want to compare two string and created one string variable ठीक है. company name Google and second company name is Google. I want to compare this two string is equal or not equal. It is company one is company one and company two is equal. he is written true, but is not equal to written false. So I am using dot equal method. So I am company one, it is dot equal to company object one. He to both is equal to his written true, otherwise he is written false. This is true. Both is equal. I am I am clicking push. I am next text is space to his written false because this this object and string object and both are not be equal. Why? Google is 1 2 3 4 5 6 character, but here is this company name and is available 7th character. So both are not equal. You can see that both character are no both are character same, but each size of Google is less than company name. First is size of Google is greater than company name 1. So you cannot be both are not equal. Still next question, the next variable question 2 equal to how are you. How are you? And I am question 3. I want to compare to one question 2 question 3. So both are not equal. Why? False. Apply side. Why? Question 2 length question 2 dot length and question 3 length. Okay, you can see question 2 is length 12 and question 3 length is 11. They is not be equal, but I am remove this space. So both are both string Each length is equal. Amazon. So he is written 11th. Question 1 is length 11. And question 2 is length is 11. This both are string is equal. And you can see question 1, how are you? Both are character and both are especially same. How H is small, O is small, W is small, A is small, I is small. Is a case sensitive. Java is case sensitive. So you can see all of it match all value. And space here you can see U small, O small, lowercase, and I I am type here, H here uppercase. So you want to see this is not, but both are question 1 and question 2 both will length is same but not be character is same. So you can choose is written false. Why? This string 2 and string question 2 and string question 3 both are not be equal. Why? The string 1 will store how H is small but all variable is the same, but question 3 H is small and all variable is same, but question 1 H is capital, all variable is all character is same. And both are length is same, but both are character is not same. So equal 1 and equal question 1 and question 2 or question 3 is not be equal. So is written false. Okay, all character and all space all be length is all be same. So you can all be all is a string is all the data is matching to be written true, otherwise false. This, how to use equal method you can understood. Okay, next method. Okay, you can see completed length and lowercase and uppercase and equal method. Next method is okay, consider that the next method is okay, equal split and length. You can still you can next method is you want to change something. Question 1, next method is you can change. I am using replace, so I am replace. Question 2, how are H how are to replace how. You can question 2. So he this is not be changed. Why? String is immutable, so you cannot be modify your string. So you can do this is not be changed. Why? String is a mutable, so you cannot be changed. Why? And you can use string and dot method, so you can be created new variable and store this after you modify. So I am created string new variable string replace string update string I'm pasted here, pasted and cut it. I am okay. So he is replace. I am replace the hover to hover how h to. I want to replace only one character. I want to change one character only. I want to change one character replace. We can only how work how 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 to replace h. So he is replace to how to replace h. Okay. I want to replace a to here is a to replace l. So he is replace to l f in your string. Okay. So he is replaced to a to l. Okay. You can see only this string available only a only one position. I want to, for example, here available is a. So all string is available a. So he replace all variable your string to replace a. So he this you can see here is string a here and here. So he to replace method he replace a. First we go to here replace to a, and after go to here replace to a. And so he is already okay. So you can see a replace to l, and you can see a plus to l. Okay. You can change replace to your string. Okay. I want to okay. Okay. Next is I want to get a particular character in your string. So how to get? I am get question dot index of character. H. I want to check h how much be index number. No. I want to check index. I want to check h each h position. What is the position of h? So I am checking small h. So question number string 2 h has not been available. So he is written -1. Why -1? Small h not be available in your string. So he is written -1. And I am here check a. What is the position of a? What is the position of a? So he is written position number 4. So you can count 0 1 2 3 4. So Java consider always index number start with 0, but you can number start your other mathematic rules. You can start always number 1, but Java rules to always start string 0. So you can count 0 1 2 3 4. So age available index number 4. Okay. For example, you want to get a character of last. last index. You want to u position of u count to from uh, last to first. You count to 8 position. So you can count to last index. You can last index u. So 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8. You will 8 position of 8 u. So I want to check only y. Okay, 8. I want to check o. Okay, 9. So you can count last position 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Position of h. Minus 1. Why? क्योंकि minus 1 has not been available in your string. So minus I want to check minus s. This is available. Zero position. Okay. Question dot index h2 a. No, length of 3 means you want to you want to index number of character. Apply condition ki I want to change length of string 3 before you can check h index available or not available. So h position index number 3 तो 0 1 2 3 here no, here to only check here available h index position. The index h is not be available so he is written -1. I want to change I want to check capital H so he is written 0. Not minus I want to change string to index of a means you can apply from condition number 3 so you can check you can see a position of 3 4. So I want to check from index number I am apply condition so he is and from index number 3 you can see a is available number 4. So here is index number 3 here after that you can see index number 4 a index number 5 index number is I want to check w so he is written minus y I am condition apply from index number 3. So he check index number 3, start checking W is available or not. But you can see W is available for index number before 3. So he cannot be his return minus 1. Why? He checking started uh, he just checking starting index number from 3 to length of string. The starting number here. The index number 4 are available and I am checking u to his return position 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. His return 11 and sorry 10. Index number always start 0. Okay, you can apply condition. You want to search your string and apply your condition where are indexing index number. Okay, for example, next is string concept. And what is variable number? Variable number is company not equal sum to and end equal to 5. I want to a is through error. Why? So why not we add this value? Because this is a string, so this number string to convert to string so is not be added. You want to add the string is convert to concat your string. So is the integer concat to this form. It cannot be add. Why? This is the integer. This is the string. So is Java provided auto boxing. So is convert to and to convert to string and to concat to string to value which return 12. Okay, we want to add something like that. Will not be add, we need to concat your string. This is not be adding the value. Why? This is the string we concat to string, convert to string. We can concat. This is the concat automatically apply concat of method. Okay, what you can say we apply to you can see this out. Okay, a plus b. This means or this means other meaning. This means others mean or this means others mean. Okay, okay, no problem. Change the syntax error. Okay, okay. The return job is okay. You can add to value to string to be not be add value because you is convert to concat your string. Your string we convert to concat. Okay. Concat new Okay. Okay. The lots of material available string. You can complete it. Next method I want to see what is the remaining method. Question 1 2 dot. Here is available lots of method to index of you can understood index of land, index of string, last index land, index of character. You can check directly apply to what is the character of particular character. And lower is completed, index of last, length is completed, equal is completed, concat is completed, uh, end with and end with and ends with. Lots of methods here available. You can see learn about. You can learn self. First you can go to a Google and learn particular method how to work this method. Start with means you particular start checking. For example, start start with H. Is return true or false? Is false because question 2 cannot be a start small h. Is start is capital H is written. You want to check your strength, you check your what starting point. Checking your string question start capital H. This is true return. Why? Question 2 start capital H. And same method you can I will have lots of method I will. Question 2 start with okay and with start you check you want to check your strength start with using you can use that method and you can strip method. You can strip method you remove your space, lots of space when you want to starting point available. For example, I am giving some space here. Hit starting position. We remove all before strip your string your string. Okay. 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 Question 2. Okay, you can see here is available space, but I am using stream. You can stream your string and go to right stream your string. You can see. Okay. Next. Okay. हेलो तो यहाँ you can see here a level or lots of matter. I explain start with uh, and I explain them and index of lowercase uppercase and start with split or last of index and equal method length method and concat method. I can explain that all method ends with and This available for lots of methods, so you can go through Google and learn about lots of methods available here. Go to your Google and type here string method in Java. Go to here I will lots of method cat dot adds compare to ignore concat equals copy with attach. I will lots of method. So go to here and learn about every method. Practice this all method string all method. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. So okay. So tomorrow we learn about array in Java. Not be array. First we learn about control. Then we learn about before learn about array we learn about if else controller, if else statement, and for switch. We learn about this concept after we learn about array. Okay, bye.